Hey guys, I'm John with Hops and Brews, and today you get to decide who wins this battle of Voodoo Rangers. So the people over at New Belgium have their very successful line of IPAs in their Voodoo Ranger series. And they want you to decide which one is going to be their next six-pack release. So let's see which one of these comes out on top. They have been producing some fantastic IPAs recently. Voodoo Vice IPA comes in at a 7.1% ABV, a 0 IBUs, and gets an average rating on Untappd of 3.79. Exclusive to the Vote Voodoo Hoppy Pack, bursting with neon bright citrus flavors, Voodoo Vice is vying to be the next Voodoo Ranger rotating IPA. Danger Beach IPA comes in at a 7.1% ABV, a 0 IBUs. It gets an average rating on Untappd of 3.77. Exclusive to the Vote Voodoo Hoppy Pack, dangerously juicy with tropical flavors, vote for Danger Beach to be the next guest star in the rotating IPA series. All right, so let's give both of these beers a try. We're gonna try out the Voodoo Vice IPA first. Both of them look very similar in color. The Vice does look a little darker, and I'm talking a tiny, tiny shade. Aroma, ooh, I get a lot of like kind of an apricot mango. So let's dig in. Ooh, yeah, juicy, very juicy up front. Reminds me a lot of the 1985 tropical smooth. Again, I kind of get like an apricot mango flavor to it, maybe a slight papaya in there too. Overall, very well done, pleasant IPA. A little bit of oat. All right, so the Danger Beach. Ooh, there's a lot more citrus notes in this. I mean, it's big. Completely different aroma. A little bit of a soapy aroma to it though, but still not bad. Yeah, a lot of tropical citrus forward, and the back end is a lot lighter than the Voodoo Vice. There is still a slight soapiness to it. So I don't know, they're both very well executed IPAs. Same ABV, both, they didn't give you the IBUs on them. Both have ups and downs to them. I would probably say my only critique so far is that the percentage, I mean, the past couple of Voodoo Rangers have been just these big IPAs that are so easy to drink, or juice bombs. But I get, you can't always have an Imperial IPA. So with that, that's probably why both of these bodies, in my opinion, are a little bit lower and thinner than the previous two. Now to me, the Voodoo Vice has a bit more of an oaty back end, but that upfront flavor is a fantastic, just like I said, apricot, papaya kind of thing. That's what I really get. And the body with that oatiness kind of makes it a little bit better for me. However, the aroma, the initial aroma on this is just such a wonderful bouquet of citrus and tropical notes. And even that first tongue taste is a fantastic getaway of just like, ooh, this is on a tropical island type thing. But the body is just a little bit lacking in comparison. So to me, and this is just my opinion, if you're looking for just a hair more body, but some fantastic non-citrusy style of IPAs, this Voodoo Vice is probably going to get your vote. Now again, there are citrusy notes, but I think it's more of that stone fruitiness in this one ahead of a citrus. And the Danger Beach has more of that tropical citrus fruit, that pineapple, lemon, lime, that very island style tropicalness to it. But the body's just a little bit thinner than the other. Which one deserves to be the next Voodoo Ranger IPA? Either way, I like both of them. They're both decent. They're both easily drinkable beers that I could easily have at a barbecue or a bar and have it with some burgers or greasy food and be completely happy with it. And both of these being just at that 7.1%, they teeter on that crushable to, maybe 2's kind of pushing it for you, styles of beers. And I think the bodies try to reflect that. And I think they do a great job balancing everything in here. I don't know if there's some artificial flavors in here, who knows? But honestly, who starts to care anymore? So I don't really know who's gonna get my vote on this. I think I'm gonna have the rest of these and we'll find out. But I'm gonna give you the links in the description below to vote for either one of these. You're gonna have to go get the New Belgium Voodoo Ranger Voodoo Pack to even vote for these. Honestly, it is a toss-up for me. Both are well done IPAs. So, cheers. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Remember, hit like and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media stuff. Links for those will be at the very bottom of the description. We're doing more and more social media stuff, so check the links out over there for all this awesome stuff. Follow me on all of that stuff. See you guys.